Did you guys heard about it? Eid Mubarak? Any of you? You heard it?
Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Alright guys.
Eid Mubarak. I can hear you. Eid Mubarak. Yes, you got it.
So we're gonna do here.
Fine. Go. Help daddy.
Get inside.
Go. Go take it inside. Come. Go. Give it to them. Give it to uncle. Just this.
Okay, I don't know how to do that one. Okay.
Try it. Look, you can follow the books too. They have little flowers and stuff.
Oh my gosh, बस ये करके मैंने करना था तो कर दीपा में थोड़ा करें या शायद
with the other communities from different diversity. It's a huge country and country of immigrants, and we get to know each other's culture. We get to respect each other's culture. So that's our goal is. And I again thank Queen's Library for arranging this beautiful program. So let's begin this ceremony. I'm handing over to Azaz, actually, who is hosting today's event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, Sajjad, my friend and one of the famous hosts in our community, he willingly, actually everybody, all artists, all performers, they willingly, when we just called, they came here and with their good heart and just they're trying to contribute to establish a bridge with the, I would say, the mainstream or with the city or the library. So they are contributing, so they are coming here willingly. So I will say that if we can have a big clap for them, big hand for this artist. I know some of 2 hours drive, our respected Tajuli Mama Bhai is coming from upstate. He drove for 2 hours, and not only that, is here Maya, Angelina, Sajjad, Tahmina Afa, Shahid Bhai. I can name everybody, Rono, Ricky and their family, everybody came here. So we again very much grateful to you guys, and I'm going to hand over the mic to Shantanu. He is going to continue rest of the evening. If anything, I can come. If he will, call me. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Ajay. Thank you very much. It's a warm introduction to everybody. And did you guys heard about it? Eid Mubarak? Any of you? You heard it. Can you say loudly Eid Mubarak? Alright guys. You understand one audience, you already know about Eid Mubarak. Okay, let's before we start the program, let's say all of us together, just to warm up the whole audience over there. Let's say 1, 2, 3, we all sit together, Eid Mubarak. Is it alright? Awesome. 1, 2, I didn't say 3, I said 2.5. Listen 3, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Nice. Can we say one more time? Sure. Okay, let's do it. Now, the way Tajul Bhai says, little bit with the rhythm.
Slow and loud. Okay?
Slow and loud. Just let's do the practice.
Let's do it together. Okay?
Yes.
It's Eid Mubarak. 1, 2, 3. Eid Mubarak. I can hear
She's shy. She knows everything about it. It's just a little shy right now. Alright. So, let's see. Over here, especially the kids, if anybody wants to say anything, please raise your hand. You are feel free to sing a song, you feel free to perform a dance or anything you like, okay? It could be any language. You want to say something?
Oh, that's a beautiful design.
Thank you.
See?
I threw trying.
Nice.
I tried my best.
Yeah, you did good job. Yeah, it dries. It dries up, you're going to see it start peeling off. Okay. So then you wash it. You're going to put the sticker.
কি নির্মল নীল আকাশ, কি অসহ্য সুন্দর, যেন গুণীর কণ্ঠের অবাধ উন্মুক্ত দান, দিগন্ত থেকে দিগন্তে। কি ভালো আমার লাগলো এই আকাশের দিকে তাকিয়ে, চারদিক সবুজ পাহাড়ে আঁকা বাঁকা, কুয়াশায় ধোঁয়াটে, মাঝখানে গাড়ি চলে গেল। কি ভালো তোমাকে বাসি।
Student, you see that? She's so inspired. Actually, she's the one actually told me, can I have a dance again? You like that dance, right? You really like that dance. Oh, that's great. Please, let's hand together for him. Yusha, right? Yusha. And how about you? Is it your first time you're doing something new today? Performing? How you like it?
It's fun.
You think he's gonna make you like, hey, why you don't do a good job? Let's hands together. And now, I heard you so many
সব সময় তরিটা ডুবাই। আচ্ছা বাদ দাও, আল্লাহ বাংলাদেশ জিন্দ বাংলাদেশ। আরে আমার মনে হয় না ওটি লেগে যাবে, এরকম লাগে একটা।
কিন্তু যদি হয়, আমার তো মন বলছে এবার আমাদের কি লেগে যাবে। জানায়া হানে না মনে রাগো জিহায়া রে নানা, তুমি জানায়া হানে না, আমাদের খুঁজে বের করতে হবে।
না
চিল্লাচিল্লি করে
কোথায় যেতে পারো না?
আরে তুমিও খোঁজো, এদিকে আসো। আমার ভালো লাগছে না।
আরে বাবা, খুঁজছি।
পাটা হাত ধরে এসেছে।
কোথায় যেতে পারি? এইখানে অথবা রান্নাঘর, এই দুই জায়গা থেকে এক জায়গায় থাকা যায়। শেষবার এদিকে আমি কোথায় দেখেছি? শেষবার ওদিকে আমি রান্নাঘরে ডাইনিং টেবিল উপরে দেখেছি।
আরে বাবা, ওখানে ওটা নিরাপদ নয়, জন্যই তো ডাইনিং টেবিলের উপর থেকে আসি।